What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to download movies. Now, if you're a movie person or you love movies, then this is the video for you. By the way, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get to the intro. So now first things first is we need to download uTorrent and type in uTorrent free download PC. Now the link is in the description below. Now if you will reach this page, there is a pop-up below, and that is the uTorrent file that will serve as a downloader. Let's click the uTorrent file, the file that we downloaded. There you go, and after that you're just gonna click yes in order to install the uTorrent. Let's just wait. There you go, it is extracting. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. So all you have to do here is click next, next, and next, and if there's a offer that says antivirus, just decline it. Quick menu entry, quick launch icon, quick desktop icon. Next, next. You just basically have to click next all the time here, and finish. So in any second now the uTorrent will pop up in your window. Now this is the uTorrent. This uTorrent serves as a downloader for a video. So next step is we need to go to the hiddenbay.com or the Pirate Bay. The URL of the Pirate Bay is the Hidden Bay. The hiddenbay.com. Don't worry, I will put the links in the description, so better check it out. I also download in YTS. I will put the link in the description. So there are many movies in YTS also. So for example, I'm gonna search a movie. Now as you can see, I click the pirate search, but there is a pop-up here. So basically you just want to close that because we don't need that. The pop-up is about ads. If the ads will pop up, then you just have to close it. So now we can click and search. So I'm gonna search Bloodshot 2020. The Bloodshot movie is an action movie portrayed by Vin Diesel, and this is a very cool movie, so we're gonna search for it. So this is the Bloodshot. As you can see, we have many options. We have 1080p, 720p, we have 4K here. Wow. We already installed our uTorrent, and this is going to be easy. So I might pick this first and click this magnet link, and yes, there it goes, the pop-up again. So basically close that, we don't need that, and click it again, click this magnet again, and yes, it is, of course, twice, why not? And there you go, finally it says open uTorrent. So this, if you click this open uTorrent, this will directly lead us to the uTorrent app that we downloaded. So let's wait for the loading here, and there you go, there we go. We have the Bloodshot 2020 1080p. It is free movie and very clear because it's 1080. So we just hit OK. After that, it is downloading, and for it to be more faster, let's right click on this movie and click on this bandwidth allocation and then set it to high so that the download will be more faster. For those who want to download in mobile devices, basically you just have to install uTorrent in the Play Store, and after that you will go to Google and type in the Hidden Bay or YTS. So now as you can see, it is 38 minutes. From 1 hour it is 38 minutes because we set it to high, the bandwidth allocation. That's it for today guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'm BlackShark and I'll see you in the next one.